Stocks on the dip. We have FGI, CODX, BOXL, TURB, and MTVA. FGI down 24.53%. Yesterday gained 139.29%. We can say it is contracting that expansion of yesterday. And lower prices is expected to keep printing, or rather, the contraction is expected to remain in place up till the foreseeable future. Price pressure momentum still strongly bullish on this 4 hour chart. It's just indicating that even with this weakness, the positions opened over 40 hours ago are still very much in the money. And that is also the case with the 21 period moving average. Positions opened over the at least 48 hours ago, still very, so 84 hours ago, still in the profit, still in the money. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it's just contracting that expansion. Upper projection currently is 11.05, including the central day high of 24.58. Okay, so we could also apply the market grid to see where it is relative to that market grid. The grid gives you a range of prices that it has a potential to trade within. Okay, let's see. If it's trading outside of it, then you should expect a rebound to happen. If it's trading outside, expect a pullback. However, the reality may be totally different. It may continue to print lower prices or continue to print higher prices. In such cases, the market grid will equally expand to accommodate them. Okay, so the range is between 4.36 and 5.48, and the stock is currently trading at. Let's see where it's trading at right now. It's at 7.1, which places it somewhere here. I can see 7.1, just okay in the support zones. So it's gradually opening up an opportunity to consider getting in, but I wouldn't really advise anyone to buy the stock because I haven't done any research on the company to know if it's worth it. Okay, let's have a look at CODX. CODX down 20.4%. Yesterday, it printed an intraday high of 0.72. So yes, that's what it's off 20% from the highs of 0.72. Let's see. CODX. Okay, so a bounce is expected to happen anytime soon. Okay, and then after that we might get a contraction. As a matter of fact, you could just say it's the contraction is happening right now. So the contraction is expected to continue, but with a bias to the upside, with a bullish bias up till Monday the 22nd. No guarantee that that will be the case. Projections, do we have any here? Nothing to the upside really. Just with as things stand right now, our best bet will be this 0.72 that printed yesterday. Previous projections, previous highs, anything up to the upside previously? No, we can't see anything. Okay, okay, price pressure momentum still very strong. Yeah, indicating that positions opened exactly 41 hours ago. They're still in profit. The ones opened 84 hours ago also still in profit. Yeah, indeed, some are not in profit, but obviously the ones that are ordered that were opened much later, the ones that were opened as of the pre-market session of yesterday, obviously, um, yeah, they're not. They've lost their gains. Yeah, they've lost their gains. Yeah. Okay, so let's have a look at BOXL. BOXL down 19.84, intraday high yesterday 3.25. Okay, let's if you don't mind, let me just apply the market grid for CODX. We didn't do that. Yeah, the grid is saying the price is currently okay. We current price is 0.5, so it's 0.5040. So it's right in between its resistance and support zones. So it's a bit neutral now. It may well continue to print lower prices. So it's the range is between 0.2898 and 0.7782. So let's move on to BOXL. Okay, so extrapolation is saying that this contraction is going to remain in place up till midday today, and then after that, we may have a bounce that is expected to remain strong up till Thursday, the 25th. Projections are saying 0.5197, 0.7203, 1.05. Yeah, okay. Those are not upper projections. Not as okay. Well, some of them are not. We have 3.25 already, so yeah, they're not upper, not as strong. Yeah, current price is 2.03. Okay, so we have some current upper projections here: 2.2, 2.43, 2.56 as of Tuesday, the 9th. Tuesday the 9th. Okay, market greed is saying the stock can trade between 1.58 and 2.82. Okay, so it may well continue to print lower prices all the way down to 1.58, given that it's already doing so. However, the algos are saying that it's going to bounce. Okay, let's see what the market, the price pressure momentums are saying. Yeah, okay. So the two price pressure momentum values for the 10 and 21 period moving average on this chart are still robustly trending. However, the weakness has affected a lot of positions and indicating that lower prices may continue to print. Yeah, lower prices may continue to print, and positions open positions are gradually losing their gains. Yes, that's what it's saying amongst other things. Okay, so let's have a look at TURB. TURB down 19.76%. I think, okay, we covered the stock yesterday. Intraday high 20.45, it printed yesterday. So let's see. Okay, clearly it is contracting that expansion and is expected to remain in place up till Friday, the 26th of September. No guarantee that that will be the case. Okay, we have projections 2.88. It's a downward projection, but we have an ambitious one here, 20.45. But we still need prices in between. We could just quickly jump to the 1 minute chart and see if we have prices in between. We have 9 point, the current price is 9.84. We have 9.8, it's a down projection. 9.73 downward projections as well. 10.39 upper projection. 10.63, 10.79. Yeah. Okay, so let's go back to the 4 hour chart. Price pressure momentum, let's see how bad. Okay, everything's still robustly bullish. However, surely some positions have lost money. Yeah, are still they've lost body, and the ones that are still open are offering the robust are offering enough support. That's why we have this robust price pressure momentum. There's a decent amount of stocks that haven't been closed. That's also what this is indicating. It's offering some support on the stock, but the extrapolation is saying it may continue to decay. We could apply the market grid for TURB. Okay, the market grid says it's the current price is 9.97. So it is okay. So in between the resistance of the supports, and given that it's on the decline, it may well continue to print lower prices, and there's that the possibility of testing 2.29. Yeah, so that's something that can happen. Okay, let's see what we have for MTVA. MTVA down 18.05, intraday high on the 15th, 1.73. Current price is 1.09. Yeah, it is still contracting that expansion. That's what's going on. Okay, I have moved the moving averages. Let me apply the moving averages. Okay, so yeah, lower prices are expected to remain in place up till midday of tomorrow the 18th, and then after that, the contraction may continue with a bullish bias and may remain that way at least up till Friday the 26th. Projections are saying 1.57 and then 0.8078. Price pressure momentum is yeah, still robustly bullish. However, surely some positions are have lost money. However, there's a decent amount of strength still in place. Yeah, there's still a decent amount of positions are obviously clearly still open, and they're offering support. But how much longer the holders of those positions will remain in place is your guess is as good as mine. Okay, we can apply the market grid again to see this sort of range, as to see how low it can possibly print. Let's see, the current price is at 1.09. So you could test. Okay, right now it's currently between. It's in the support zone, so it's confirmed. There's well, I wouldn't say confirmed, but the likelihood of it, you know, testing 0.9867 is there. Is there? Yeah. So have a look at these stocks. All of them are U.S. companies, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.